Investing in Georgia, Commercial Real Estate, a 13-part guide to finding lucrative commercial properties for sale. Let's get started. 1. Introduction to investing in Georgia commercial real estate. Investing in commercial real estate in Georgia can be a profitable opportunity for investors seeking long-term returns. The state's strong economy, pro-business policies, and low taxes make it an attractive location for businesses, which in turn drives demand for commercial properties. Some of the most popular commercial property types in Georgia include retail, office, industrial, and multifamily properties. 2. Benefits of investing in commercial properties in Georgia. One of the main benefits of investing in commercial properties in Georgia is the potential for high returns. Compared to residential real estate, commercial properties typically generate higher rental income and have longer lease terms. Additionally, Georgia's business-friendly environment means that commercial property owners can enjoy lower taxes and less regulation. Another benefit of investing in commercial properties in Georgia is diversification. Commercial properties provide a way for investors to diversify their portfolio and reduce risk. Unlike stocks and bonds, commercial properties are tangible assets that can provide a steady stream of income and appreciate in value over time. 3. Factors to consider when looking for commercial properties for sale in Georgia. Before investing in commercial properties in Georgia, it's important to consider several factors. The first is the location of the property. You'll want to look for properties that are in high-demand areas, such as areas with high foot traffic or close to major highways. You'll also want to consider the property's proximity to amenities, such as shopping centers, restaurants, and public transportation. Another important factor to consider is the condition of the property. You'll want to look for properties that are well maintained and in good condition. Properties that require extensive repairs or renovations can be costly and time-consuming. Finally, you'll want to consider the potential for appreciation. Look for properties in areas that are experiencing growth and development. These properties are more likely to appreciate in value over time, providing you with a greater return on your investment. 4. Researching the Georgia commercial real estate market. Before investing in commercial properties in Georgia, it's important to conduct thorough research on the local market. This includes researching current market trends, property values, and vacancy rates. You can gather this information by working with a commercial real estate agent, attending local real estate events, and reading industry publications. It's also important to research the local economy. Georgia has a diverse and growing economy with key industries including aerospace, logistics, and healthcare. Understanding the local economy can help you identify areas that are likely to experience growth in the future. There are several different types of commercial properties available in Georgia, each with its own unique characteristics and potential for profitability. Retail properties, for example, are typically located in high-traffic areas and can generate significant rental income. Office properties, on the other hand, are typically leased to businesses and can provide a steady stream of income with longer lease terms. Industrial properties are another popular type of commercial property in Georgia. These properties are typically used for manufacturing, warehousing, or distribution and can provide stable and predictable income streams. Finally, multifamily properties such as apartment buildings can provide a steady stream of rental income and have the potential for appreciation. Georgia has several cities and regions that are popular for commercial property investments. Atlanta, for example, is home to a thriving business community and has a diverse range of commercial properties available. Savannah is another popular location for commercial properties with a strong tourism industry and growing logistics sector. Other popular locations for commercial properties in Georgia include Augusta, Columbus, and Macon. Each of these areas has its own unique characteristics and potential for profitability, making them worth considering when looking for commercial properties to invest in. 7. Utilizing online platforms like LoopNet.ga and CRE to find commercial properties for sale. One of the most effective ways to find commercial properties for sale in Georgia is to utilize online platforms like LoopNet.ga and CRE. LoopNet.ga and CRE are leading online marketplaces for commercial real estate with a wide range of properties available for sale or lease. Using LoopNet.ga or CRE, you can search for properties based on your specific criteria, including location, property type, and price range. You can also view detailed property information, including property photos, floor plans, and lease terms. 8. Important steps in the commercial property buying process. Once you've identified a commercial property you're interested in, there are several important steps you'll need to take to complete the buying process. The first step is to make an offer on the property. This involves submitting a purchase agreement to the seller outlining your proposed purchase price and terms. Once your offer is accepted, you'll need to conduct due diligence on the property. This includes reviewing financial records, conducting inspections, and verifying the property's legal status. You'll also need to secure financing for the purchase and work with a title company to complete the transaction. 9. Hiring a commercial real estate agent in Georgia. Working with a commercial real estate agent in Georgia can be a valuable resource when investing in commercial properties. A knowledgeable agent can help you identify properties that meet your investment criteria, negotiate purchase agreements, and navigate the buying process. When choosing a commercial real estate agent in Georgia, look for someone with experience in the local market and a proven track record of success. You should also look for an agent who is responsive and communicative and who has a strong network of contacts in the industry. 10. Financing options for purchasing commercial properties in Georgia. There are several financing options available for investors looking to purchase commercial properties in Georgia. These include traditional bank loans, SBA loans, and private financing. Each of these options has its own unique advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to carefully consider your options before making a decision. When evaluating financing options, consider factors such as interest rates, loan terms, and fees. You should also consider the lender's experience in the commercial real estate industry and their track record of success. 11. Due diligence and inspections for commercial properties. Due diligence and inspections are critical steps in the commercial property buying process. These steps help you identify potential issues with the property and ensure that you're making an informed investment decision. During due diligence, you'll review financial records, lease agreements, and other important documents related to the property. You'll also conduct inspections, including a property inspection, environmental inspection, and survey. 12. Evaluating the potential profitability of a commercial property investment in Georgia. Before investing in a commercial property in Georgia, it's important to evaluate its potential profitability. This involves analyzing the property's financial performance, including its rental income, expenses, and potential for appreciation. When evaluating potential profitability, consider factors such as the property's location, tenant mix, and lease terms. You should also consider the potential for future growth and development in the surrounding area. 13. Risks and challenges in investing in Georgia commercial real estate. Like any investment, investing in commercial real estate in Georgia comes with its own unique risks and challenges. These include factors such as market volatility, tenant turnover, and property maintenance costs. To mitigate these risks, it's important to conduct thorough research and due diligence before making an investment. It's also important to work with experienced professionals such as commercial real estate agents, attorneys, and accountants. Conclusion: is investing in commercial properties in Georgia a lucrative opportunity? Investing in commercial properties in Georgia can be a lucrative opportunity for investors seeking long-term returns. The state's strong economy, business-friendly environment, and growing demand for commercial properties make it an attractive location for investors. To maximize your chances of success, it's important to conduct thorough research, work with experienced professionals, and carefully evaluate potential investments. By following these steps, you can identify and invest in lucrative commercial properties in Georgia that provide a steady stream of income and long-term appreciation. Contact me. For more commercial real estate insights, please subscribe. To discover lucrative investment and financing options in Georgia, connect with me, Jovi Sherry Brown, a trusted commercial real estate and loan broker at 800-428-8070 and a Jovi Sherry Realty. Not working with me could leave money on the table. Let's discuss your investment goals and financing options as well as explore available properties and loans. We are turning dreams into wealth.